Hello, everyone. It's time for today's asynchronous PE lesson. I hope you guys are ready. There are 6 parts to today's lesson. You've already found part 1. That's my introduction. We are going to talk today on our health day about carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is our next nutrient that we find in food. Last week we talked about proteins and those important building blocks for our bodies. Today is carbohydrates, and we'll learn about fuel for our body. After our health videos, there'll be a couple in there. Then we'll do our warm-up, nice long warm-up, get your bodies up and ready and active. And we'll do a few A to Z words again, like we always do, relating to our health lesson. We'll cool down with some stretches, and then I will pop back on to wrap up our lesson for the day. So make sure you go through all of the lessons today. You need to click on each link. Each part of the lesson builds on each other. So go through all of them in order. I will see you back here to finish up our class.